in Windows 11 there is a feature. You can just simply extract text from an image or a PDF file with the help of Snipping Tool. You don't need to buy any software or need to install any other software. What you have to do is just take your Snipping Tool and then we'll go one image here. Okay, I'll just click on New. I'll just select like this. After doing that, I'll just enlarge and you can see the option of scan text over here. It will start scanning. Simply copy text, and with the help of that you can just simply copy text. You see, now you can just simply copy like that within a second. There are some images where you really cannot just simply copy the text. For that, Snipping Tool you can use. Now there is another thing also. If you have a PDF file also, now from PDF file what we can do, there are two methods. First is you can just have a facility of this PDF, like this is giving you the facility of simply selecting the text, and after selecting the text you can just simply Control C and just simply Control V and then simply copy it. But there are PDFs which is not giving you the facility. There are text and how you gonna scan that text. Now you can use this. Simply click on New. I'll just simply select it here. Options come and then we go here, scan text. What you're gonna do is simply copy our text and just simply paste it. So in this way you can just simply copy all the text from the images or the PDF file or any other places there. You can simply copy that with the help of Windows 11. See you guys in another video. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos.
Like and subscribe for more videos like this.